I drank ginger turmeric shots for 7 days and I have not gotten a single acne ever since. It transformed my skin, I lost some weight, and my gut health has been phenomenal. As promised, let me show you how I make my ginger shots. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the ingredients of my ginger turmeric shots. So the first ingredient here is, of course, is our ginger. I will have added more ginger than this, but girl, ginger is now so expensive, like extremely expensive. It is not even funny. And you guys won't believe how much I got this two ginger. This two ginger alone is 3,000 naira. I'm gone are the days when these two ginger are like 200 naira. It's like 100 naira, 100 naira. I got this one for 1,500. It's just crazy. It's not even funny. So I couldn't get as much ginger that I would have hoped for. So let's just manage that. The next ingredient that I'm having in this ginger shot is turmeric. Whenever you make your ginger shot, if you're not adding turmeric, I don't know what you're adding into your ginger shot. The turmeric would not only help your guts, but it will also help your skin, your hair, basically your overall well-being. The next ingredient is garlic. I don't really like the taste of garlic, but I usually put it in my ginger shot because garlic has so many beneficial properties for the body, for the guts, for the skin, for your hair, for your nails. So our next ingredient is lemons. Lemons. I know, yes, these are limes. I usually prefer lemon. I usually use lemon in this formulation, but when I got to the market, I couldn't get lemon, so we have to do with what we were able to get. So I was only able to get lime, so I got a few lime. So for this particular formulation, I'm going to be using lime, but you can use lemon if you have some, or if you can get some. Lemon is actually the best option for this recipe, but lime is also good. Lime as is more concentrated than lemon, and lemon is milder, but you can use anyone you like. You can use anyone you prefer. Our next ingredient is mint leaves. Now, this is why I got enough mint leaves is because I don't have enough ginger in this formulation, and mint leaves will really help with my congestion. Like right now, my throat is really congested. I am coughing badly, so this formulation will also help my cough. That's why I got enough mint leaves for this formulation. I know you guys might be thinking, why does she have sugarcane on screen? Well, I like to add sugarcane to my formulation. I tried it once and I fell in love with it ever since. It's not a lot of sugarcane, it's just a little bit of sugarcane. It's just going to give you this sweetness. The last ingredient in this formulation is pure honey. So this is local honey. I'm going to be adding honey for sweetness, and you guys know the properties of honey on the body, in the gut, on the skin. So we're also going to be adding some honey. I'm going to go ahead and prepare this. I'm going to wash and peel whatever needs to be peeled, juice whatever needs to be juiced, and then I'll be right back. So I am done squeezing my lemon, and this is my lemon juice. I've also peeled and rinsed my garlic, prepared my lemon juice, plucked and washed my mint leaves, and also I've gone ahead to wash. I didn't peel the ginger and the turmeric, and then I cut them into smaller pieces so it can blend easily. My sugar cane as well, I cut them into smaller pieces. So we're gonna put all this into the blender and we're gonna blend. So I'm gonna add a cup of water. Now we blend. Now that we have blended, I'm going to go ahead and sieve it to separate the liquid from the shaft. So we're going to pass it through a sieve and just let all the liquidy goodness go through the sieve into the cup. I'm going to sieve it for about 2 to 3 times just to make sure that I get all the shaft out and to get a really smooth, silky result. This is me sieving it for the last time, like the final sieve. You can see how smooth it comes out. There's no longer shaft in it. And voila, we have a really nice, really healthy ginger shot. This shot will literally transform your life. Just take one shot every single day on empty stomach. I explained this in my previous video where I talked about this ginger shot. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure to go check it out. In that video, I basically explained how to take your ginger shots to get maximum results. Because for you to get the best result, you need to do it right. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video so you don't miss out on anything. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.